Hey guys, Tech Consultant is here and you are watching official YouTube channel, and we are learning about Adobe Photoshop, and we are learning the different tools that we use for editing in Photoshop. So in last two tutorials I have taught you the pen tool, and secondly I have told you freeform pen tool, and in this video I will teach you how you can use curvature pen tool. Curvature, as the name indicates, is used to draw the curves and the very perfect curves. So for that we will just click on uh, any place on the artboard or canvas. We can just select it from here, curvature pen tool. We will press and hold this area, and the curvature pen tool will be selected if it is not already selected. And if this curvature pen tool is already selected, you can just press P and you will directly lead to that area. So for drawing any curve, you will just click once, then you will click twice. This is a second, and it shows in the one unilinear direction, but when you click third time, a curve is drawn. So you can move it as closer as you want, as far as you want, to make your desired shape. So like that, if I have to draw an egg, I can just click here, and then I will click here, and I can make it as the shape as we want. So I will delete the letter, this one, and I will click here, and then I will click here, and I will click here too, and then I will click here. And when you will reach there, you can just modify it according to your need. You can add anchor point, and you can just move it outward. You can also make it outward. So you can see how perfectly we have made an egg using the curvature tool. So curvature tool is used to make perfect curves in Adobe Photoshop. So this was all about curvature pen tool, and the next video I will I will teach you some other aspects of Adobe Photoshop. Till then, stay blessed.